And now a story that's been leading our website all day. A man who broke into a Rochester home last night turned out to be no match for the 82-year-old grandmother who lives there. And here she is, Willie Murphy, in her own words.
The young man is in my home, broke the door. And you know what? It's kind of semi-dark, and I'm alone, and I'm old, but guess what? I'm tough. And you want to know what happens? He picked the wrong house to break into. I took that table, and I went to working on him, and guess what? The table broke, and it had metal legs, and I'm jugging him, jugging him, jugging him. And when he's down, I'm jumping on him. And the telephone is still on for 911. I'm running in the kitchen. There's a bottle of baby shampoo on the table. I grabbed the shampoo, and guess what? He's still on the ground in his face, all of it, the whole thing. And he's trying to get up, and he's pulling. And I got the broom, and he's pulling the broom, and I'm hitting him. I'm hitting him with the broom, hitting him. And guess what? He wants to get the heck out of there, and I'm trying to help him get out of the house, but he's too heavy. I can't move him. He's dead weight. And at that time, the police arrive on the porch, and the house is already open, so they come in. He's laying down already, because I had really did a number on that man. I'm serious. I'm serious. And you want to know something? I think he was happy when he went in the ambulance, because I sent him in the ambulance. Yes, I did. Yeah.